Are you videoing?
Yeah, I'm taking some pictures and video, ma'am. Who are you?
I am Candy Griffin.
Candy Griffin?
Yeah,
and you're a deputy?
Protected if you, yes, if you'll read the sign down there, it's protected. You can't audio and video.
What's protected?
It says it downstairs. The building is
Protected against what?
audio and videoing.
Why would that be? Is that a law?
Because you have you're invading people's privacy.
Oh, no, this is a public building. They don't have no expectation of privacy in public.
Okay, what are you videoing for?
Oh, I'm just taking some pictures and video for myself.
For yourself?
Correct, yeah.
Is there anything I can do for you?
No, sir, who are you?
I'm Deputy Knowles Pugh from the County Sheriff's Office.
Deputy, excuse me?
Knowles?
No.
K-N-O-L-E-S.
My name is Sean. I'm an independent journalist. I don't need any assistance at the moment, no.
Actually, you're in violation of a courthouse order.
It's
What,
it says
what
downstairs.
courthouse order is that?
If you will go downstairs, I will show you where it's posted.
It's posted.
So
Yeah,
come
and
on.
it's a courthouse order for against exercising a constitutionally protected activity.
In a secured area, yes.
This is not a secured area.
Yes. You came through a checkpoint to get in, right?
Yeah, that doesn't mean it's a secured area. There's some city halls and things that have.
But it's posted right on the front of that X-ray machine.
Yeah, if you could provide me with the order. Yeah, that's just anyone could have that sign.
Not this one.
Anybody could have that sign
This
made.
is filed in the district court.
Yep.
There shall be no cameras, video, digital, or still allowed in the courthouse. Except for ceremonial purposes, cell phones with camera functions may not be used in the courthouse.
So we're going to ask you if you'll please stop recording.
Because we do have people on jury duty that are in this building currently, and they don't need to be identified.
Well, I have no idea who would be on
That's
jury
fine.
duty.
It's right.
But you're standing outside of courtrooms.
Yeah. No, I'm walking around.
Pictures of people
Okay.
coming in and out of offices.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you to quit recording.
But yeah, that sign is unconstitutional. So I have a First Amendment. Yeah, I have a First Amendment right.
Jury duty. Anyone ordered to jury duty has the right to.
That sign is not a law, sir. You're,
Say again?
respectfully, that sign isn't a law. You are a law enforcement officer, correct?
I am a law enforcement officer.
And that is not a law that you would enforce. That is a
We are
policy.
enforcing it. That's what we're doing
This
now.
is a.
No, but that's not a law.
This is a lawful order through a district court that says they do not wish to have cameras here. So this.
I've been all over Oklahoma,
That's fine.
and I've recorded in many courtrooms and court facilities, not the courtrooms.
Right.
And
Are you here for a ceremonial purpose?
well, yeah, I don't have to explain to you my purpose. I can, it could be multi purposes. It could be for I'm a journalist exercising my constitutional rights. Could be a ceremonial purpose. I just don't want to have to. As a journalist and as a citizen, just as a citizen, excuse me, I don't have to divulge. I don't have to talk to you. I have a Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate
Well,
myself.
people here too have the right for you not to video them.
Well, I'm not recording anybody in
But
particular,
it
ma'am.
doesn't matter. It's their civil rights
No, it's
not
not.
to be
That's
videoed.
wrong.
Okay, well, you're saying the same thing. You have civil rights. They have civil rights.
No.
They do not.
They
want
don't have a
be
right to
recorded.
privacy, ma'am.
They do
Respectfully,
not.
I'm not trying
Yes,
to
they
escalate
do.
the situation.
Yes, they do.
They do not have a
They
right to
violate
privacy. This is a public building.
It is a public.
Anybody has access. I am obviously not a threat to anything. I went through the metal
You're
detector,
making
and
Yes,
people
but
nervous.
you're in violation of a direct court order.
that would be a
And I've shown
judge.
you the proof, yes.
A judge only has purview over. Judges can have purview in
They
the.
work in that is owned by the county
So-
that they are appointed to help protect. So you're in violation of a direct court order. So I suggest
An unconstitutional order.
It is not.
So I just need one. It's an unconstitutional order, sir. Can I get a supervisor here, please?
I will go get at least one.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
I
Lovely.
don't want you videoing me.
You have.
That's my
No.
That's my right. I do not want you videoing me. I do not want you to use my image of any kind whatsoever. That's my right. That's my right to privacy as a citizen.
Oh, that's completely wrong, ma'am. You are a law enforcement officer. You definitely have no right to privacy. It is a constitutionally protected activity to film law enforcement officers in the course of their duties. Does it usually take this long to speak to a supervisor, sir? Isn't it the Sheriff's Department policy and procedures that if a member of the public requests a supervisor, you provide one to them?
It is, but it doesn't say how long that has to take.
Where's the Sheriff's Department?
In this building.
In this building? Downstairs?
And I've already talked to them. They're aware of the situation and they're doing their research to make sure they're adequate in their response.
Okay, fair enough. That's fair. Fair enough.